today's topic, we will talk about the Latin American Integration Association, known by its acronym in Spanish as Aladi. It was created in August 12 of 1980 by the Treaty of Montevideo as a substitute of the Latin American Association of Free Commerce. It is the biggest integration group of Latin America in terms of member numbers. Currently, there are 13 countries being part of this association: Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Cuba, Ecuador, Mexico, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay, and Venezuela. It has, among other functions, to promote the economic and social development of the region, regulate reciprocal trade by gradually reducing and eliminating obstacles to it, establish economic complementation, and develop economic cooperation actions which contribute to the expansion of markets. It is crucial to analyze how this association has evolved over the years in order to understand it, for example, on the exports and imports of the association with the rest of the world.
In the period of 2016 to 2017, Aladi's global exports grew significantly, 12%, while global imports did so at a somewhat lower rate, 9.9%. This improvement happened because of the general improvement in the members' economies, which directly benefited the region and the association. According to ECLAC estimates, the region's GDP would have grown in 2017 1.3%. This moderate recovery was the result of very diverse behaviors at the level of different countries. Comparing trade from 2017 to 2018, it can be said that there was a 9.8% of increase in global exports and 11.6% increase of global imports. Even though both activities increased, imports increased in a higher percentage. The growth of Aladi's exports was due to an increase of international prices of basic products that the member countries exports. This increase was 12.8%. The main contributions to the increase of the global imports were purchases made from the United States with 35.1%, China with 25.8%, other areas with 18.7%, and the European Union with 10.4%. The main reason why global imports increased is because the economic activity of the region improved. Aladi's GDP increased at 1.2%.
To conclude, you as a new entrepreneur that resides in any country that is a member of the association can take advantage of benefits such as business expansions through access to business contacts, preferential tariff rates, access to business network in order to buy raw material or sell your goods to different channels and countries. And one last recommendation to every producer in the Aladi Association and the Latin America region is to engage in the development of goods related to manufacturing, information, technologies, and other that involves a more technical knowledge in order to increase the value of the region has to offer to other developed countries and the world supply chain.